So we are going to start off with this beautiful hair transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the layers that the stylist put in here, and the color is absolutely unreal. Moving on to look number 2, she's got some grown out color here as well. And she gets a nice face framing bob. Obviously, she did get a color refresh with this one as well. I really like the layers that the stylist did here. It added some dimension and just kind of modernized that bob style. Two really pretty looks that you can rock for this spring and summer season. Moving on to transformation number 3, we have a bit of a cut refresh here. So the stylist takes off a couple of inches to do a bob. This is so pretty. She does have her natural texture for the cutting. I feel like this would be a super cute look for the spring and summer season. It features more of a mini bob aesthetic, and the fact that she has her like natural texture going here, you can do a lot of like wash and goes with this look. So the next hairstyle would be cute for special events, if you have prom coming up, or if you just want to try something fun. She's got the mini buns going there at the top, leading into some ponytails, half up, half down style, with a swoop bang going there in the front. A little bit of a slight curl up there as well. Next up, we have another very trendy hairstyle. Bangs are definitely in this season. I love her chocolate brown, almost reddish hair color. And she is wearing this super cute ponytail. If you guys want to see more longer hairstyles, let me know. Here we have another pixie. Actually, I think this is the first pixie in today's video. This one does feature some swoop bangs going there in the front. Beautiful texture throughout. Color looks amazing. We have an undercut style. So this is how she came to the salon. Hair is about shoulder length. She's got that tattoo going there at the base of the hair. Bangs in the front. Nice texture throughout the cut as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all these hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.